Good morning, grade 4. Welcome back to grade 4 mathematics class. How are you all doing today? So let's start a new chapter today, chapter 14, problem solving skills. The ability to solve problems is a basic life skill that is essential in our day-to-day life. And just like any other skill, the more we practice it, the better we get at it. We solve problems every day without even realizing how we solve them. For example, it is raining and you want to go to the store. How would you go to the store? What would you do? You may take the umbrella and walk to the store. You may go by the car or take the bus. You may call a friend to give you a ride to the store, or you might even decide to go to the store some other day. You see, there are different solutions to the same problem. And you see, different people solve problems differently. So you can say problem solving is the process of identifying a problem, developing possible solution paths, and taking the appropriate course of action. And you see, good problem solving skills are crucial and essential in your personal life as well as later in your professional life. And there are different methods or strategies used in problem solving. The two basic strategies used in problem solving are algorithmic strategies and heuristic strategies. Algorithmic strategies are the traditional step-by-step guide to solve problems, and these are great in solving math problems, and also these strategies will help us remember the correct order of things. Algorithmic strategies work the best when they focus on a single path to the exact solution. So you can say algorithmic strategies give you the optimal or the best solution to a problem. Now what about heuristic strategies? The heuristic strategies are the general trial and error methods of problem solving. These are fast and shortcut methods of problem solving. These methods may not give you the optimal or exact solution, but they will be practical. So one of the most popular and common methods used in heuristic strategy is called IDEAL, I-D-E-A-L. It stands for you're identifying the problem first. Then you'll define the context or you'll define the goal of the problem. What you have to find out from the problem. The next step is to explore the possible strategies or explore the various methods to solve the problem. The next step is carrying out your plan, or you act upon your best solution. You'll carry out or you'll work out the plan or the strategy. So you do the action. The next step or the last step is look back, which means you'll check upon the answer. So you can say in general, any problem solving method can be explained in 4 steps. Step 1, understand the problem. Step 2, devise a suitable strategy or plan. Step 3, carry out or work out your plan. And step 4, check your answer by a suitable method. So what do you mean by understand the problem? See, we have done a lot of word problems in math. So when you get a word problem, what do? First, you will read the question carefully. Then you'll rephrase that question in your own simple words in your mind. Then you'll find out what all is given within the question. And you will identify what all information is relevant to solve this problem. So that's the first step. Now in the second step, what you will do? You will devise a strategy, or you'll find the way to solve that word problem. You may write steps, you may draw pictures or diagrams, you may make tables, or you'll even form a list. So in the second step, you will devise a suitable strategy, or you'll find a way to solve this problem. And in the third step, what would you do? You would do all the calculations carefully and methodically. That means you'll carry out your plan or you will work out your strategy. And in the fourth step, or in the final step, you'll check your answer using a suitable method. For example, if you're doing a subtraction problem, how would you check your final answer? The difference. You can add the difference and the subtrahend and check if you get the minuend. And that way, you can check if you have done the subtraction correctly. And you have learned different methods to verify your answer in addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. So these are the 4 general steps in any problem solving method. So when you think about it, you'll realize how important is problem solving skills in our daily life. What if you feel thirsty? You may go get a glass of water and drink it. You may ask someone to fetch you a glass of water. See, there are different ways to solve any problem. Just give it a bit of thinking, and all of you please go through the Let's Recall page. These pages are page number 182 and 183 of your textbook. So, in the next class, we'll discuss the various strategies which will help us in problem solving. So that's all for today. We'll see you in the next class. Till then, bye.